Hey guys, it's Drew, and I'm just covering adding links to an Infinite Campus email. You'll notice here I have a couple links. If I was to click it, this one brings parents to a spot where it teaches them how to get into the Google Classroom. I also use links to give them directions. So this is our project directions. Here's one where it's a link for rubrics. I like to link my daily agenda, so each day it's updated. The parents can see exactly what we're up to. If I'm sending out a permission slip, these are great to link as well. And just random videos, like I'm going to use this one in my class. So any random that you want to use, you can just send that, and it's a great way to communicate with parents as well. So maybe I have a video on pitfalls that students fall into. I'll send that out to them as well. So to do it, really easy. All I need to do is highlight the words that I want to use. So I already put in here, click here. So you can type in whatever you want, highlight it, go to the link, click insert link. And once that pops up, you're just going to paste the link of whatever you want to connect. So if it's a document, a slide, if it's a video, you do that, you click insert, and just like that, we now have an active link. So you can take any old documents and upload those to your Google Drive, make it an active link. Make sure you hit the share options on any of these so whoever sees them, mine is anyone with the link, so they're able to do so. And that's how you add a link. It's a great way to shorten your emails and ensure that the parents might make it all the way through to the bottom. Have a great day.